very good morning to all the dear students of second semester. As you all know that your second semester is being started, and so we are about to start with the paper 1 and paper 2 of English. Today I will be starting up with paper 1, that is drama. I will be covering with the unit 1 and unit 2 with each and every topic in detail, so you people can get all the information here topic wise. As we all know that in the first semester we have done about the fiction and the poetry. Apart from this, in the second semester you people are having your paper drama as a paper 1. So again, the topic which we are going to cover in this is the topic one is social and intellectual background of drama. Basically, what is drama? So let me tell you, and you must be aware of it, that when you heard this typical word drama, so the things get captured in your mind. The drama is something which is related to the acting. So an acting part, you could say, that performed on stages through in the form of films, you could say, that is drama. So in the bookish language, if we talk about, so here in literature, a drama is a portrayal of fictional and non-fictional events through the performance of written dialogues. This is something very important, that drama is not without dialogues. Whatever the dialogues are being given, that forms, and the audience, in front of the audience, how the acting is being done by learning those dialogues, that is particularly known as drama. So here the performance given in the written dialogue. Now either it can be in the form of prose or poetry. So drama can be performed on stages, films, or the radio. So drama are typically called a play, which we generally used to cover it if you in your school days, your school times also. Most of you must taken part in the drama. So a short kind of play is particularly known as a drama, and their creators are known as a playwrights or the dramatists. So the meaning of drama is a type of literature that is written for the purpose of being performed in the front of audience, as I told before. So this type of writing is written in the form of script, and a story is told through the lines of characters played by actors. Main types of drama which we will cover, the main 3 types of drama are comedy, tragedy, and tragicomedy. Okay, so I will be just giving you the brief information about these types of drama, and later we will be covering in detail about it. So the 3 main types of drama which I told is, first is comedy. Comedy, what do you mean by the comedy? So a comedy is a type of drama that is written to entertain your audience, to entertainment or amusement for the audience. Acting should be done in such a form that audience should enjoy. That is known as comedy. So comedy were humorous, satirical productions that often made fun of prominent political and cultural figures. Example of comedy play. Here are listed some of the examples, like As You Like It, The Comedy of Errors, Love Labour's Lost, Measures for Measure, The Merchant of Venice, The Merry Wives of Windsor, A Midsummer Night Dream. So This enlisted over here some of the comedy play which are very much famous at their own time. Second, if we talk about the second type of drama is tragedy. So tragedy is a type of drama that can be described as serious in nature and often includes the catastrophic ending. Like a tragedy, it simply, in your words, is known as something went wrong, a kind of tragedy that falls through his own actions. Okay, so it could be a very serious kind of thing that something is being done, that how shut. So this is what tragedy details a character's rise to power or prominence only to fall through his own actions. So, for example, here are some enlisted the tragedy play. What kind of tragedy plays are? First, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, Romeo and Juliet, Titanic, Hamlet, a series of unfortunate events, Frankston, The Hunger Games, The Great Gatsby. So these are few of the tragic play examples of tragedies. Now the third part, if we talk about the types of drama, the third type is tragi-comedy, which is being made from both the parts, that is, which covers both the tragedy as well as comedy. So this satire play is a form of acting theatre performs related to both the comedy and tragedy. It preserves the theoretical elements of dialogues, actors, speaking words, a chorus, dance and singing, mask and costumes. So they were shot. Tragedy comedy is a comic play that is being performed the acts of tragedy, and they were meant to lighten the mood, and they did so by mocking the characters in the tragedy. For example, few of the examples are enlisted here. The first one is William Shakespeare, by that is The Merchant of Venice, which was being written in 1596 to 1907. Then The Winter's Tale, 1610 to 1611, and The Tempest, 1611 to 1612. So here are few of the tragic comedy examples. So I have enlisted here few of these these are the main types of drama, as we all came to know that what is particularly drama you meant to, and what are the three main types of drama. In short, I have explained this in detail with all the three these types. I will be explaining you further in detail to it. Then if we move on to the development of English drama, what it is. The origin of English drama seems vague. There is no certain evidence of its origin. It can be tracked back from the centuries of succeeding the Norman conquest to England on 1066. Originally, the terms of drama came from Greek word meaning. Now here, just get it through that this drama word is being derived from the Greek word which means action, to act or to do something. So William J. Long argues that drama is an old story told in the eye, a story put into the action by living performers. Thus, drama is a form of compositions designing for the performance in the theatre, in which the actors take a role for certain characters. It's so simple if you people are understanding. The words are so simple and it is beautifully being defined. So just try to understand. Drama was introduced in England. Just to be marked out, the drama was introduced in England from Europe by Romans and the ancient Greeks and the Romans. So, drama is concerned with the religious ceremonies of people in England. Drama had a distinctly religious origin from the church as a part of religious service. Apart from its origin, the Latin Church had condemned Roman theatre for many reasons. The oldest existing church drama was Quam Quartus. So there are three Marys visited the empty tombs of the Christ and marked angels. So their conversations with angels consist of four sentences in Latin that adapted and performed by the clergy in very simple performance. So this simple beginning gradually grew more elaborate. This drama called literally dramas, in which the story is simply taken from the scriptures. So if we talk about that, how this development of drama is taken place, so here is the whole history given, and you people just have to go through it very cleanly. So if we talk about the development of English drama from mystery plays to morality plays and eventually to the Shakespeare. The very word mystery shows that elastically's origins, since the word came from the French ministers derived from the ministers, because the clergy, the ministerials or the ministry ecclesias themselves took part in these plays. At England, the term miracle is used indiscriminately for any kind of religion play, but strictly speaking, the term mystery is derived to the stories taken from the scriptures narratives, which miracles play dealing with ancient in the lives of saints and martyrs. So this you people have to just understood it very deeply, that what kind of drama appeals are being done. So the drama appeals of two instincts deeply rooted are the craving for amusement and the desire for improvement. So just keeping in mind that these were the two drama appeals. The largest recording of the miracle play in London was Leo Santa's Decatrans, which performed in Dunstable around 1110, and it is not was known who wrote the original play, but the first versions of prepared by the French school teacher Graffiris from St. Albans. By the 13th century, the miracle play began to move outside the church, and the play were performed at moving the platform called the pageants and the act area called the paintings. The paintings now, the stage were derived into three parts. What were the stage? The stage that was being divided into the three parts are the hell, earth, and heaven. Hell on the left side, earth in the center, and heaven in the right side. So the idea of the salvations and the dramatizations, which later adapted in Dr. Fashions, and was inherited from this period. So here it's talking about that how the development of play took place. Development which includes about the play, The character sketch, the personified such as which is being by all the things going around like death, sin, good, bad angels, seven deadly sins, and etc. and etc. So the purpose of this drama was didactic to give the moral lesson to the audience. The morality plays generally ended with the virtues and win against the evil. The examples of morality plays are Everman, The Castle of Perseverance. The introductions of morality plays also introduce and so called interludes in a short versions of morality play. So all kind of dramas, plays are included in it, and it's a request to all the students to just through these notes which are very much important. Every unit, every topic will be covered so that you people can understand and start learning the concept of the paper. Everything will be given in detail. So try to understand because this is English and English cannot be explained you people in Hindi. So you people now are grown up and so you have to understand the concept of each and everything in detail in which is being engraved over here in a very simple language. So try to understand the fact of drama as this is one of the new session. Apart from this, in the first semester you people have learned what is fiction and what is poetry. Here this is something very different, drama, but you people must be having a simple idea that what is drama basically is. So it will not be so tough for you people. Just try to understand what is being written and date wise, example wise, all the types of drama are being given. Learn through this. So children, I will be just keep on giving you such videos according to all the unit wise and topic wise. Start preparing according to it. Thank you so much.